In this video, we're going to run through the process of a basic email broadcast. This is a useful exercise if you're new to the MarketDeveloper system and are a bit nervous about sending out an email campaign for the first time. As a basic overview, we'll perform 3 stages: creating a contact on the system, locating that contact using the query manager, and finally, sending that contact an email broadcast from the campaign manager. First of all, we're going to create a new contact by selecting People from the Customer Data tab and pressing Add. Once created, you can update the contact's details. For the sake of this exercise, all you need to add is the email address. Simply click Contact Point and ensure email address is selected. Next, we can specify the permissions of this contact so you know which emails they can receive. This page is also where you amend customers' preferences and add suppressions if need be. Once you're happy with this information, press Update. Next, let's locate our new contact in the database using the query manager. Normally, you would use the query manager to bring back groups of people based on various query parameters, but for the sake of this exercise, let's just bring back our recently created contact. First, go to the query manager and click Add to create a new query and give it a relevant name. The Editor tab allows you to perform basic admin such as renaming the query or determining ownership. For now, let's go straight to the query builder and find our contact. Since we're only looking for a single contact, we can be very specific in our query. For information on more complicated queries, please see the Running a Query video or consult the user manual. Once complete, click the green arrows to send your question to the holding area on the right and then down into Saved Conditions. Next, move to the Output Fields tab and select Person ID, first name and surname, then click Save Fields. This determines which data will be displayed in results. Once saved, go to Parameters, check Available to Campaign Manager and Update. Then move to the Results tab and view your data by clicking Run Query. The query is now available for campaigning. As with the other modules, we're going to start by adding a new campaign. First of all, let's name the campaign and select Email in the contact type. We can now choose the type of permissions we want to include and then click Create. Next, let's go straight to the Contact List Builder tab, select the query we created earlier and press Run Query. After the query has run, press Include to bring these contacts into the campaign. There are 2 places we can review the campaign. The Channel Builder shows a count of people included in the campaign, and the Contact Point list, which shows the actual people included in the campaign. Once we are happy that only the single email address has been included in the campaign, let's press Recalculate to run a final check on the data and then finalize the campaign. The campaign has now been completed. Please note that this is a very simple campaign and the majority of the campaign manager features have been skipped. For more information, please see the user manual. Now the campaign has been set up, we can create a message within the message manager and attach it to the campaign. Once your message is set up, go to the Message tab where you can add your HTML and text copy into the relevant fields. At the bottom of the page, you can view what your HTML should look like. After adding a subject line, click Update and then go to the Test People tab. A test email should always be sent to yourself and one other person. To send a test, go to the Preview tab and click Send. You can send as many test emails as you like until you are happy with the results. Once everything is confirmed, return to the Editor tab and select a send out date. This can either be an agreed time in the future or immediately. After the email has been sent, go to the History tab for confirmation.